Like, I feel like if I didn't come on here and tell you guys this was a wig, you guys would have thought I just got a little blowout and I just, you know, came on camera. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacey, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a subscriber, what's up? So as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing the most realistic wig I have ever installed in my whole entire life. This is the craziest thing ever. So first things first, I want to give a big thank you to ILIKE HAIR for sponsoring this video today. Thank you so much. I truly do appreciate it. Why am I like doubling every word? I don't know. But yeah, guys, so as you guys can see, this is the unit that I have on today. This is their 18-inch Kinky unit, okay, with realistic edges. Guys, just get into it. I did not do my edges in this video, and this hair just goes so freaking hard. Like, when I say I'm obsessed, I am obsessed, okay? I just really want to show you guys the hair and just how easy it is to install it. This hair does not require any plucking, any bleaching, nothing. I'm talking take it out the pack, put it on your head, and go. You can style this hair. I'm gonna insert some clips right here. This looks so, okay, I gotta go lower, but this looks so freaking real. Oh my god! I did add some crimps to this hair. I used the Bedhead Wave Artist crimper to add crimps to this. As you guys see, I combed it out because I wanted it to be like even more natural looking. But, I did want to show you guys what it looks like if you wanted to, you know, kind of customize it to your own liking. But this hair is just beautiful and just honestly amazing. Like, I cannot believe this is a wig. Like, I feel like if I didn't come on here and tell you guys this was a wig, you guys would have thought I just got a little blowout and I just, you know, came on camera. So I'm super excited to show you guys this video of this hair, give you guys my true honest opinion on this unit. Honestly, you guys can tell by the intro that I'm honestly in love. Like, it's just doing it for me. But yeah, guys, so if you guys are interested in seeing this hair, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, this hair was sent to me by ILIKE HAIR. I wanted to show you guys the goodies that come in their bag. It's a lot of stuff and I love it, but let's get into the meat and gravy. I think that's what the saying be saying. I don't remember. But like I said, this is their 18-inch Kinky unit lace front. It's giving. I'm super excited. This is the first wig that I did not have to bleach any knots. Like, do you guys see how small those knots are? That's insane. Like, this is, I like that. We like that over here. Easy installs. It looks super good. The natural edges is just grasping me by my hair, okay? Anyways, what you guys see me doing here is I'm just removing like that little back lace tab. I don't know why they put that on there. Companies need to stop wasting that lace and add it to the front because we don't need the back one. But now I'm just tinting the lace just so it can match my skin tone. So the knots are bleached. I mean, they're not bleached. The knots are small, but we want the lace to like kind of blend into our natural skin tone. And then I'm just blow drying it so it's not like transferring all over the place. So this is what the wig looks like going freshly on my head. It's giving natural. It's giving I just woke up. It's giving natural. But I'm obsessed right now and I'm in love. And as you guys can see, especially with that lace tint, it completely melts and blends into my skin seamlessly. You barely can see where the lace starts and where it ends. I'm just playing with the edges because I'm obsessed right now. It's just so cute. But I decided for today's look, I'm gonna do a middle part. I think a middle part would be just super cute. I'm really just imagining that this is my own hair and what would I do with it. And today was just giving middle part vibes. So with this hair, you guys know I'm very big on it being flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hot comb and I'm just gonna flat iron the like part just so that part can be flat. But this is not one of those wigs that needs to be flat ironed all over the place. Like, it's literally just the top so it can smooth down a little bit, but then after that you're good. And this install is just going by so fast. Like, if you're one of the girls that you don't really like taking too long on, you know, wigs and doing hair, I really think this wig is for you if you're into that super natural look, because this wig was just, it was a little too easy. Like, I was scared this video was going to be 3 minutes long because this install was just super quick. But what I'm doing here is I'm taking my lace adhesive. I'm not using necessarily lace glue. This is just a spray. The black bottle, in my opinion, is the strongest one. So if you want to do a glueless install, which makes this wig even more easy to install, definitely try out the Even spray. The black is a little bit, you know, it's gonna stick on that head. So if you don't want too much of like adhesive, try out the red bottle. I feel like it's like the perfect, it's not too much, you know, you can kind of rip it off, and then it's not too little where it's sliding off by itself, you know. So anyways, what I'm doing here is I'm just taking a comb and I'm just combing the product through the hair, because when you spray it, as you guys see, I like to part the hair and spray in between the hair, but regardless, the spray is going to kind of spray all over the place. So we're just going to comb that out of the hair so you're not having like a crunchy front of your hairline. Hopefully that makes sense.
DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty fall. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on.
This is crazy. Like, I'm talking no edges. This is me, Pookie. As you guys can see, I was feeling myself. I think this hair is like, it's literally crazy how real this looks. Like, I've never tried a wig like this. I think that's what's probably blowing me so much. This is absolutely insane. Like, that's crazy. But anyways, I'm just cutting off the excess lace on the hair. As you guys can see, like, you barely could see that I even had excess lace. It's really crazy. I think this wig is very much beginner friendly, only if you like kinky natural hair. Some people, they want that straight or body wave or curly, or if you want that, completely understandable. But if you are somebody that's into these kinky curlies and these like super natural looks, definitely go for this wig. It's just so easy. It's beginner friendly, and if you're advanced, you're gonna body this wig too. So it's just perfect. I'm just cutting off the lace, as you guys see here. After I cut my lace, sometimes it kind of leaves that like whitish like highlight line, so I'm just going back in with a little bit of spray on the lifted lace areas just so it can melt into my skin. And as you guys can see, instantaneously it just melts. This is crazy. I'm obsessed. I can't right now. Like, I literally can't, period. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys this beautiful unit that I have on today. It is completely just undetectable. Like, this is amazing. This wig is just everything and above. I honestly love this hair. Like, it's up there in my top 5 for sure. If you are interested in getting this hair for yourself, definitely check down below in my description box. You guys can get a discount if you use my promo code, and you know, just the link to this hair or just their website in general if you want to browse around and see what fits you best. I love you guys so much, and this is the end of today's video. If you made it this far, go ahead and comment down this emoji right here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.